This is how you make protein-loaded sweet potato boats. Firstly, jab your sweet potatoes and get them in the oven or air fryer using the settings in the caption. While they're cooking, we're going to prep the filling. Get in a pan some beef mince, red onion, garlic, paprika, chili powder and Italian mixed herbs. Once the beef mince is browned, add in some tomato paste and chopped spinach. Then shift that pan to the side and get the sweet potatoes out of the oven. Slice them down the middle and use a fork to make that flesh nice and fluffy. Top it with your beef mince filling and grated mozzarella and then chuck it back into the oven until the cheese is golden and crispy.